What if your ankles are the reason your squat still feels stuck? A lot of the mobility positions you see online like deep squats, Cossack squats, and pistol squats become much harder when your ankles don't move well. Your heels lift, your knees have a harder time traveling forward, and everything above the ankle starts compensating. Today, I'm going to show you one movement to start unlocking your ankles over the next 30 days. Most ankle mobility drills are too passive. You can push your knee forward and feel a stretch, but there usually isn't enough load or tension in that position for your body to actually adapt. That's why we are going to use a squat pattern. This lets us stack more body weight over the foot, so the ankle has to control the position instead of just passively stretching. Grab a wedge or even a book. Use something high enough that allows you to get into the position comfortably. Set up in a squat position. Some people might need a wider stance. Some people might need their toes turned out slightly. Find a stance where you feel stable and balanced. From here, shift your weight over one ankle. You can place your hands in front of you for balance, but try to keep most of your weight over the ankle you are working. Keep your foot grounded and let your knee travel forward over your toes. You should feel the ankle loading as you move deeper into the position. Now start exploring. Shift slightly inward, shift slightly outward. Play with the ankles and find where you feel the most restricted. Spend time here at your end range and keep steady pressure into the ankle. You should feel a deep stretch and tension but not sharp pain. If you need a quick break, release for a second, then come back into it. Try to accumulate 1 full minute on that side, then switch to the other ankle and do the same thing. You are going to do 1 minute per ankle for 3 sets. Do this 3 days a week for the next 30 days. As this gets easier, slowly lower the height of the wedge or book. That's how you know you're actually improving. You are not just stretching harder, you are earning more range while your body learns how to control it. When your ankles start moving better, you can squat deeper, movement becomes easier, and getting into low position will start feeling less restricted. Try this for the next 30 days. Move slowly, stay consistent, and your ankles should start feeling a lot more open. I will see you in the next one.